my friends of Curaçao, of the neighbor islands, of the Netherlands, all over the world I have friends. But you know, a time like this, when we have a crisis, it's very good to come together and share information. You know, as an adult senior, working with herbs for so long, for more than 30 years, when something like this happens, then herbalists come together and we talk. I cannot give you a recipe for the coronavirus, but I can tell you that there are certain things that we have to take care of. And it is our immune system, our throat, coughing, and our digestion. The digestion forms a big part of our immune system. That's the key to our immune system. So that's why let's start to work on our immune system with very small things, you know, like a lemon. You can make a juice of the lemon with hot water and drink this every day. Do this with a family. It alkalines the body and gives a lot of vitamin C. Tamarind, hierba iole, that is the basil. And if you can't find these things where you live, then you take dandelion, chamomile, and green tea. Make a tea of this. It's very good for the immune system. When you feel the throat is itching or hurting, then you can take eucalyptus. Very hot tea of eucalyptus. You put eucalyptus essential oils, some drops, and then you inhale this very, very deep. Here we can gargle with different roots, but this is one of the best because the eucalyptus has antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antiviral activities. And also when you have a cough, you can take aloe vera, you can make a juice of aloe vera and take care of your digestion. You know, eat fruits, eat vegetables, take things that you know can enhance the body. Let's come together. Let's take this time to really work on our health, to be strong, to help each other overcome this time, this crisis.